Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Microsoft Word and choosing a template that matches your document type. This saves time later. Once done, you save as to name the file and pick a folder so Word autosaves to the right place. You should set language and proofing options now to avoid spelling disruptions. This matters because Word applies those settings while you type. Finally, adjust the page layout, margins, and orientation so your content flows correctly from the first keystroke. You now build the document using styles to keep formatting consistent and make later edits easier. Use the ribbon to insert images, tables, and page breaks. This ensures elements behave predictably when you resize or export. When writing long sections, use headings so Word can create a table of contents automatically. That's how you navigate and reorganize content quickly. If someone else will edit the file, enable track changes and add comments so every revision is visible and you finish by running editor for spelling and grammar, then accept or reject track changes to lock the content. Once satisfied, use export to create a PDF for sharing or choose print to produce a physical copy. Exporting preserves layout across systems. If formatting breaks on another computer, make sure fonts are embedded and check compatibility mode. Mismatched styles or missing fonts are the usual culprits, so reapply consistent styles and resave to resolve most display problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.